Hey guys, so today I am in the kitchen, and if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you know that I absolutely love to cook. It's one of my favorite things to do, but unfortunately the days get busy when you have multiple kids and a busy husband. So I have a new product, and it is Freshly, and these are pre-made meals. They're fresh, they're going to be at your doorstep, and you can order all different kinds of meals, which is really cool. Today we're doing the steak and peppercorn with potatoes and some vegetables, but they are so simple and so easy. So today I'm going to show you how to use them. And for all of you who are watching this video, I have a link below for you guys. It's $20 off your first order of 6 meals. So make sure that you click on that so that you can look and try it out. But I'm going to go ahead and make this meal, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how simple and easy it is. So just keep watching. Okay, so I just got done cooking it in the microwave, and this is what it looks like. And it just comes like this. And so now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm going to plate it for you guys and show you what it looks like. The thing that I love though is it really only takes 3 minutes. It comes to your door already made, so this is like really perfect for if you're having a baby, or you know, those busy nights where you have football games or cheerleading practice or things like that and you can't cook. So I have a husband that likes to be cooked for, so these are easy if we're on the go. I don't have to have him make, you know, a sandwich or something for dinner. Like, I can actually give him a real dinner if we're busy. So anyways, I'm gonna plate this up for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you. And here you go. This is what it looks like, and everything is done and made for you. I just added a little bit of salt and pepper, and 3 minutes. That's all it takes, and it comes to your door fresh. So pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, so I'm going to leave a coupon code down below for you guys for you to use, and remember, you get $20 off your first order of 6 meals, so be sure to go check it out. It will be down below, and happy eating.